Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Before solving such type of questions, I want to revise relations and identities which we will use in the coming questions. We know that sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta. Sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta. Cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. Tan theta is 1 upon cot theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. From this, sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. From this relation, cos theta into sec theta is 1. By this relation, tan theta into cot theta is 1. By this relation, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. From this relation, 1 equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. By this identity, 1 equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So these are relations and identities which we will use in the coming questions. Okay. Our first question is prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. LHS. What is LHS? LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Reverse of cosec is sin, and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. This is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square in the numerator, and in the denominator sin square theta. Or we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. From this relation, value of sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So we will put sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 can be written as 1 square. So this is of the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. 1 minus cos theta will cancel, square of this, so we have 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to RHS. So this is our proof. Now we will do next question. Next question is prove that cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equal to 2 sec A. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equal to 2 sec A. LHS. What is LHS? LHS is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Take LCM. 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square, divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cos square A plus, expand this by using identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 square is 1, sin square A plus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by sin A, so 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A multiplied by cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A multiplied by cos A. Region sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A multiplied by cos A equal to, take 2 common, 2 multiplied by 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A multiplied by cos A. 1 plus sin A will cancel, 1 plus sin A. 2 upon cos A. 2 upon cos A. Reverse of cos is sec, equal to 2 sec A equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we will do next question. Next question is 1 plus sec A. 1 plus sec A divided by sec A equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. 1 plus sec a upon sec a equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. So LHS equal to 1 plus sec a divided by sec a. We will change sec into cos. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 upon cos a divided by 1 upon cos a. Take LCM in the numerator. 1 into cos a, cos a. So cos a plus 1 divided by cos a. This is main division. 1 upon cos a. Cos a will cancel cos a. So this is equal to cos a plus 1 divided by 1. What we have to prove? We have to prove sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. But here 1 minus cos a is not present. So we multiply in the numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a multiply in the numerator and in the denominator also multiply by 1 minus cos a. Now a plus b into a minus b. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b upon 1 minus cos a. So identity is a plus b multiplied by a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So 1 plus cos a multiplied by 1 minus cos a. A plus b into a minus b, a square 1 square minus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a. This is equal to 1 minus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a, or 1 minus cos square a is sin square a upon 1 minus cos a equal to RHS. Why 1 minus cos square a equal to sin square a? Reason is sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So from here sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. So we put 1 minus cos square a equal to sin square a. Next question is, we will do next question. Next question is, prove that square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a equal to sec a plus tan a. See here RHS. What is RHS? RHS is sec a plus tan a. We can write sec a as 1 upon cos a and tan a as sin a upon cos a. So this is equal to 1 plus sin a upon cos a. 1 plus sin a upon cos a. So RHS equal to 1 plus sin a upon cos a. What is LHS? LHS is 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. We have to change sin a into cos a. So we will multiply in the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a. In the numerator it becomes 1 plus sin a multiplied by 1 plus sin a. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 plus sin a whole square divided by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 square is 1. So we have used identity a plus b multiplied by a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now square root of 1 plus sin a whole square is 1 plus sin a. What is 1 minus sin square a? 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. Why? Because sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. From this identity, 1 minus sin square a equal to cos square a. So 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. Take square root 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. So RHS is 1 plus sin a upon cos a. LHS is 1 plus sin a upon cos a. So LHS equal to RHS.